Result export. When we want to export the measurement results, click on File, find the file to be exported, and click the Export button on the right. There are 7 result formats for export, among which the CAD format export is further divided into 3 types, and you can export as needed. If multiple formats are checked, the exported file will be a compressed package, which can be directly shared via WeChat, QQ, or Bluetooth. It should be noted that the unit in the DEXF format exported by BaoRuler is EFT. If your existing CAD data, when the unit is millimeters, you need to enlarge the DEXF data exported from BaoRuler by 1000 times to get the normal scale. In addition to exporting a single project, you can also select multiple projects at once for export. Long press on the project entry in the file list to trigger batch operations. Check the projects that need to be operated on. Click the Export button at the bottom to export the selected project.